Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and it is 7:34 in the morning. My two youngest are having some cereal in the dining room area, and my two oldest are still sleeping. My husband has the day off. It is raining outside, and I just made my coffee, and I'm gonna go drink my coffee and wake myself up and get started on our day. We have some family coming over later, so a little bit of cleaning to do and just need to get ready for that and do homeschool in the morning because we have a appointment in the afternoon. Sometimes we do school in the afternoon, but I'm going to try and do some school in the morning. So let's just get started on the day, and I'm going to bring you along for this Vlogmas. And I gotta go check on the kids. They're totally fine. I just need to go check on them. They're calling me, and I'm gonna drink my coffee. Mom life is sometimes messy and unpredictable, especially with a toddler, but all kids are messy and unpredictable, but you go with the flow and clean up those messes and keep on going. On this particular morning, my toddler was super messy with his milk and cereal, but that is okay. I'm going to clean it up, let him finish his cereal, and move on with our day. Once they are done their cereal, I'm going to tackle some cleaning tasks around the house and finish my coffee and get some food myself. And then we will do some homeschool, and I'll get my two older kids breakfast when they wake up. I'm not going to share all of that because it's a lot to film, but that is what's going to be happening on this day, cleaning up this mess and tackling the rest of our day. So I'm just going to tidy up the bathroom. Here's the bathroom decor. I have this little area set up on our bathroom counter. So I'm just going to quickly wipe this down and put the toothbrushes away since we do have company coming over in the evening. I want to just freshen up this space. I did also clean the toilet and the floor a little bit and tidied that space up. Just did not film that. But when I have company over, I definitely want to do this. I try and clean the bathroom a few times a week for ourselves as well, but definitely give it a good wipe down and clean when we have company coming. And I love the bathroom decor. So it was raining when I woke up, but the rain stopped and it kept saying it was coming back. You can see the gray skies. It's like, will the rain come back? But it actually didn't rain the rest of the day, which was super nice. So here is a clip of that. It did not continue to rain. So here's my husband tackling some dishes for me while he is home. He has a few days off this week. And super nice that he was home to help tidy up the house for our company coming. And I did not have to do all the cleanup, and I could be with the kids and focus on homeschool and not have to miss the homeschooling to tidy up the house, which is super awesome. So this is coding on Scratch. My two older boys are really into it. They're really good at it, and they're like watching tutorials online to figure things out and making games and everything, and I am so amazed by them. So this is a little bit of a code that they're working on and trying to learn from someone else's design, but they're like tweaking it and making it their own, learning the ins and outs. Then I am just wiping down my table, getting anything that I missed from breakfast, and getting this space nice for our homeschool day and then our company coming later. So the boys are going to work on their independent stuff, and then I will work with them on their one-on-one time, things they need help with later in the week. And then this is a clip from the other day, actually, when our dining room table was out getting redone. The kids had these little trays out. We were using the trays for meal times, and they were using our candy construction building set to make popsicles. So this was their popsicle stand, and I thought it was super, super cute. And so I'm going to eat a popsicle here in a second. Their popsicle shop, they were setting them all up. They were even setting them up on the other little shelf we have. So I was asking if I could have this purple popsicle, and then I was going to eat some more. And I think my youngest was actually saying, no, you can't eat them. He's like, oh, you can't have that one, but you can have this one. And then we actually had a fun package come in the mail as well. I ordered the Gabby's Dollhouse movie. We actually saw this in theaters, and my kids loved it so much, so I went ahead and ordered it, and we will watch it in the evening. But I'm going to do a little bit of school with my daughter. This is coffee number 2. So the boys did their independent work, and I worked with my daughter. We did some math, and then I got this printable from Etsy. I will try and link it down below what the shop is, but then I laminated and cut everything out. There also is the capital letters, but you gather the little letters in a truck and then add them to the Christmas tree and talk about what the letters are. And she is doing so good with this. She had so much fun with this. And the little truck is from Dollar Tree, but so fun. And I love seeing her start to recognize her letters and the sounds and just feel really confident with that. And I was quite tired from the morning and all of the cleaning, so I was having a coffee while I was teaching her this to wake myself up for the afternoon and our meeting and then our company coming. But yeah, she was having so much fun with this, and we've been playing with this a few times this week, and she's been loving it. And just, yeah, I'm seeing the moments click. We are getting there with the letters. So good. And then you can drive the car around and gather the letters. And then I was tackling some laundry in our bathroom. So our laundry machine is in our bathroom, and then these laundry bins are all clean laundry. We have that, and then we have another one for dirty laundry. This just helps everything be in one place, not have big, bulky laundry bins, and it works out really good for us. And if I can't get to the laundry right away, it stays here. We can go through it. It's not in the way. It's out of the way. So I was sorting through what I could, putting the towels away, and then I'm going to go get some laundry out of the dryer, and then I'm going to switch my laundry up and then put on another load, because I feel like the laundry never ends here, and the dishes never end. There's always dishes and laundry to do with a family of 6, and you just got to keep on going and getting her done. That's why I like these laundry bins that we have, this big system, because life is busy and I don't always get to laundry right away, but if we need clean clothes and I haven't got it put away, it's at least clean and we can go through it and I can get to it when I can. And I don't separate our laundry for the most part. I just throw it all in, and this has worked for us, and clothes have lasted a long time. If it's like new and it's red, I'm definitely separating it. And I try not to put whites in with darks, but we don't have a lot of white clothes. but the white clothes that I have put in with darks have been fine. This just works for me in this season of life. So getting another load on, and then I'm going to start the dryer as well. So tackling some things around the house for company and also just for ourselves. Then I am putting some of that laundry away that just came out, sorting it through. There is some laundry bins below me that I do have. We have some smaller round laundry bins that I sort all of the kids' clothes into, and then I either put it away or I give it to the older ones to put away in their closet. So we do have that to get put away as well. But what I like about these bins as well is I can slowly get through the laundry. I don't have to feel rushed because, like I said, we don't have these big laundry bins everywhere. We used to have the big laundry bins and they just end up in our bedroom on the bed and just never get done. So this is the end of the evening right before the sun was going to set. It's hard to see, but the sky was turning pink and the sky was actually super, super clear. The rain clouds went away, and just after this, the sun did set. So that is all for Vlogmas Day 15. Thank you for coming along with me and seeing a glimpse into our day and our homeschool day. And if you are new here, definitely subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.